Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're comparing two fantastic laptops, the Surface Laptop 7 and the MacBook Pro. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech lover, choosing the right laptop can make a huge difference. Stick around as we break down the design, performance, battery life, and more to help you decide which laptop is the perfect fit for you. If you're interested in either of these laptops, check out the links in the description below. Now, let's jump into the video. When comparing the Surface Laptop 7 and the MacBook Pro, their design and display features are a significant starting point. Both laptops showcase a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and soft, rounded edges. The Surface Laptop 7 comes in 13-inch and 15-inch models. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry around, weighing under 4 pounds. Plus, it comes in cool colors like platinum, graphite, sapphire, and dune. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro comes in 14-inch and 16-inch models. It's a bit heavier, especially the 16-inch model, which is almost 5 pounds. It sticks to that classic MacBook look, which is super professional but doesn't offer the same variety of colors. When it comes to the display, the Surface Laptop 7 has a 120Hz IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 2496 by 1664 for the 15-inch model. The touchscreen is a nice touch, especially if you like drawing or navigating with touch. But the MacBook Pro really shines here with its 120Hz mini LED display and a higher resolution of 3024 by 1964 for the 14-inch model. The mini LED tech gives you deeper blacks and brighter whites, making everything look fantastic. Both laptops have 1080p webcams, which are good enough for video calls, but the MacBook Pro's superior display quality makes it the winner here. Now, let's talk about what's inside. The Surface Laptop 7 is powered by Snapdragon X Elite chips with 12 CPU cores. Qualcomm says these chips can outperform Apple's M3 in multi-threaded workloads, and early benchmarks back this up. It also has a powerful NPU for AI tasks, supporting Windows 11 Copilot Plus features. The MacBook Pro, however, takes it up a notch with its M3 Max chip, featuring 16 CPU cores and 40 GPU cores. This makes it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like gaming and video editing. It also supports up to 128 GB of RAM and 8 TB of storage, giving you more flexibility if you need lots of memory and storage. The Surface Laptop 7 maxes out at 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, which is plenty for most people but not as extensive as the MacBook Pro. Both laptops have cool AI features, but the MacBook Pro's advanced hardware and flexibility make it the better choice for performance and storage. Battery life is super important, and both laptops do a great job here. The Surface Laptop 7 is rated for up to 22 hours of video playback, which is awesome for a full day of use. The MacBook Pro also performs well, with about 21 hours of battery life for basic tasks and minimal drain during intense sessions. Both laptops will keep you going all day, so in terms of battery life, it's a tie. So, which one is the winner? The MacBook Pro takes the crown with its superior display, exceptional performance, and greater hardware flexibility. Its mini LED display and M3 Max chip offer outstanding visual quality and performance, plus the option for more RAM and storage. But don't count out the Surface Laptop 7. It's an excellent choice for Windows users, with impressive performance, a lighter design, touchscreen capability, and cool color options. It's perfect if you value portability in the Windows OS. Ultimately, it depends on what you need. The MacBook Pro is the premium choice for top-tier performance and display quality, while the Surface Laptop 7 is great for those who need portability and prefer Windows. Both are fantastic laptops, so you can't go wrong with either. And this is the comparison between Surface Pro 7 and MacBook Pro. If you want more information about these laptops, check out the links in the description below. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.